Welcome to this video on Introduction to Agentic AI. Today, we are exploring the next generation of intelligent, autonomous systems. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly. We are moving beyond systems that simply respond to prompts. We are now building systems that can understand goals, reason through problems, plan steps, and take meaningful actions independently. This shift is what we call agentic AI. In this video, we'll understand what agentic AI is, its core capabilities, how its ecosystem works, and where it is applied in the real world. Let's begin. Let's start by understanding what agentic AI actually means. Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can autonomously perceive their environment, reason about goals, make decisions, and take actions, often by using external tools or APIs, with minimal human intervention. Now let's break that down. Unlike traditional AI models that only generate responses, agentic systems operate with intent. You provide a goal, and the system determines how to achieve it. There are several key advantages to this approach. Agentic AI provides autonomy, meaning it acts independently. It improves efficiency by automating complex workflows. It is adaptable, learning and adjusting dynamically. It supports scalability, handling multiple tasks or agents simultaneously. It enhances productivity by reducing repetitive human tasks. And most importantly, it continuously improves using feedback. So instead of just responding to inputs, agentic systems understand, decide, and act. Now let's explore the core capabilities that make agentic AI powerful. Everything begins with perception. Before an agent can act, it must understand its input. Perception allows the agent to interpret text, images, voice, or structured data. Just like humans observe before deciding, AI agents first understand the context. Next comes reasoning. Once the input is understood, the system analyzes the information logically and determines what should be done. This is where decision-making happens. Then we have planning. The agent takes a larger goal and breaks it down into clear, structured, executable steps. Instead of jumping straight to action, it creates a roadmap. After planning comes action. The agent interacts with tools, APIs, or external systems to execute tasks. This is where the work actually gets done. Then there is memory. The agent remembers past interactions and context, allowing continuity, personalization, and smarter decisions over time. Finally, we have learning. Through feedback and experience, the agent improves its performance and adapts to new situations. When these six capabilities, perception, reasoning, planning, action, memory, and learning, work together, the result is an intelligent, autonomous system that doesn't just respond, but truly operates with purpose. Now let's walk step by step through how an AI agent operates within its ecosystem. It all begins with the user, who sends a request. This could be a question, a task, or a larger goal. You can think of this as giving the system a mission. The request then flows into the AI agent, which acts as the intelligence layer or the orchestrator. The agent doesn't immediately jump to an answer. First, it interprets the request, understands the intent behind it, and decides what information is needed to fulfill it properly. To gather the right context, the agent connects to two important sources. The first is a database, which contains structured information such as transactions, records, logs, or system data. This helps when the agent needs precise, factual information. The second is a vector database, which stores embeddings. This allows the agent to perform semantic search, meaning it can retrieve information based on meaning and context, not just exact keywords. This gives the system deeper contextual understanding. Using all this gathered information, the agent then consults the LLM, the large language model. The LLM acts as the reasoning engine. It analyzes the context, generates responses, and determines the next best action based on the user's intent. Once reasoning is complete, the agent moves to action. This could involve generating content, automating workflows, calling APIs, updating systems, or completing tasks on behalf of the user. This is where the plan turns into execution. Finally, every interaction feeds into the data flywheel. Each request, response, and outcome generates new data. This continuous feedback loop improves the system over time and supports model customization. As a result, the agent becomes smarter, more accurate, and more aligned with the organization's needs. So the ecosystem forms a complete cycle, starting from the user request, moving to data retrieval, then reasoning, followed by action, and finally looping back into learning and improvement. And that continuous cycle is what makes agentic AI systems dynamic and evolving, rather than static tools. Now let's look at where agentic AI is being applied today, and this is where theory meets real-world impact. Take robotics, for example. Agentic systems allow robots to sense their surroundings, reason about changing conditions, and act autonomously. Instead of just following fixed instructions, they adapt in real time. Move to autonomous vehicles. These systems constantly process data from cameras, sensors, and maps to make split-second driving decisions. The agent evaluates risks, predicts movement, and chooses the safest path forward. Now consider software environments. Agentic AI can automate development workflows, assist with research, monitor systems, and even debug issues. Imagine an AI that not only detects a system failure but also fixes it without waiting for human input. When it comes to supply chains, agents forecast demand, optimize delivery routes, and adjust inventory levels dynamically. This helps organizations respond quickly to disruptions and market changes. Security is another powerful example. In cybersecurity, agentic systems continuously monitor network activity, detect anomalies, and respond to threats proactively, often faster than human teams can react. And in the world of financial trading, these agents analyze market patterns, evaluate risk strategies, and execute trades with precision and speed. Across industries, agentic AI is no longer just a concept. It is becoming the backbone of intelligent automation and smarter decision-making systems. To wrap up, agentic AI represents the evolution of artificial intelligence, moving from passive response systems to active, goal-driven agents that can truly think and act. In this video, we explored what agentic AI is, the core capabilities that power it, how the ecosystem flows from a user request to data retrieval, reasoning, action, and continuous learning, and finally, how it's being applied across industries today. As you continue your agentic AI certification journey, remember this. The future of AI is not just about generating responses. It's about building systems that can reason, plan, and act autonomously to achieve meaningful goals. If you found this session helpful, make sure to like the video, leave your questions or thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on agentic AI and advanced AI engineering. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update in this certification series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.